Everyone is talking about Lovable AI, but nobody is talking about the biggest problem, the credit limit. You get 5 credits a day, and then you are stuck. But what if I told you there is a legitimate way to get premium access without paying? $25 a month? This isn't a glitch, and it's not a scam. It's an educational method that I am going to show you step by step. Step 1. The foundation. Do not use Gmail, and definitely do not use temp mail, Lovable, and the platform we are about to use can detect temporary emails instantly, and they will block you. You need a fresh, high-trust email provider. I recommend Outlook. Go to Outlook.com and create a free account. Crucial tip: when it asks for your details, enter a real name. Do not use test user or CryptoKing. Use a real-sounding name. Date of birth. Make sure you set your age to above 18. This is non-negotiable. If you are under 18 in the system, the educational features we need later will be locked. Complete the verification puzzle. Get your inbox ready. And let's move to the magic step. Now, here is the secret. Lovable has a partnership with an educational platform called ImagiLabs. Go to the link in my description. https://www.google.com/URL?SAR=sign&q=edu.imagilabs.com. Click on Register. Now, pay attention. It will ask you to choose a role. You must select I am an educator. Do not select student. We are signing up as the teacher so we can generate accounts for students. Enter the exact same first name and last name you used for your Outlook account. Paste in your fresh Outlook email address. Create a strong password. Don't forget it. Agree to the terms and click Register. They will send a verification code to your Outlook. Go back to your inbox, copy the code, and paste it here. Boom, you are in. You are now inside the dashboard, but you are not done. We need to look like a real teacher to unlock the features. It will ask for your organization details. City. Enter a real city, e.g., New York or Mumbai. Organization name. You can type any generic school name, like Valley High School or Tech Academy. Grade level. Select something below. Grade 12. I usually go with grade 10 or 11. Role. Select teacher. Subject. You can pick anything, but I recommend choosing Python or computer science to match the coding theme. Click Save. Now, go to the Projects tab on the left. Create a blank project. You don't need to code anything. Just create it and click Save Draft. Why? Because active accounts don't get banned. Once you see the success message, you are safe. Now for the moment of truth. Go back to the homepage of your Imagi dashboard. Look for a banner or button that says Lovable Open Access or Hour of Code. Click on Open Lovable. This is what we wanted. The system will now generate a specific username and password for you. This is a special, pre-credited student account provided by the partnership. Copy that username. Copy that password. Open a new tab and go to Lovable.dev. Log out of your old account if you are signed in. Click Login and paste these credentials. You don't need to verify an email for this. It's a direct educational login. Indeed, just like that, we are in. Normally, a free Lovable account gives you limited credits. But with this educational access, you start with a much higher limit, usually 55 credits upfront, plus your daily refill. This is more than enough to build a fully functional website, a SaaS dashboard, or a portfolio project. Scroll down to show templates. You can see here, all the templates are accessible. You can pick a landing page template or just start from scratch with a custom prompt. But here is the best part. What happens when these credits finally run out? Since we used a fresh Outlook email for this, you can simply go back, create a new Outlook account, register as a new educator, and boom, you have a fresh batch of 55 credits. You can repeat this cycle as many times as you need to keep learning and building for free. If this trick helped you save $25 today, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and comment it worked below so others know it's legit. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.